Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials, then start the backup right away. Make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and iCloud is on. Once done, connect the iPhone to Wi-Fi and plug it into power so the process won't be interrupted. Update iOS if needed, because backups work best on current software. Finally, check iCloud storage if your backup is larger than available space. Buy or free up storage now so the first backup can complete without errors. Next, decide how you want a backup and configure the details. If you pick iCloud Backup, toggle it on in settings and allow automatic nightly backups while on Wi-Fi and charging. This keeps your data current without manual steps. If you prefer a local copy, use Finder on Mac OS or iTunes on Windows and create an encrypted backup. This preserves passwords and health data. Make sure iCloud Keychain is enabled if you rely on passwords and two-factor codes. That ensures finish by verifying the backup finished and that it contains what you need. Open iCloud settings and look for the last backup timestamp and size. Once you see a recent entry, your data is secure. If you made a local backup, check Finder or iTunes for the encrypted file. Make sure automatic backups are enabled to avoid future gaps. If something goes wrong, like a failed backup, check your Apple ID, Wi-Fi, and storage, then restart the phone and retry. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.